This Moroccan Lamb Shank Tagine is traditionally made in a hole in the ground in a clay pot in Marrakech, my dad's hometown. Now, we're not going to be making it in a hole in the ground for obvious reasons today, but we will be mimicking those amazingly rich flavors with our tagine. So you're going to want to start by making the marinade. It consists of olive oil, 1 preserved lemon minced finely, some garlic, saffron, cumin, turmeric, and salt. And we're just going to pour that marinade over our lamb shanks and cover our tagine, cook it at a low temp for a few hours until the lamb is cooked through and perfectly tender. And then I'm serving it over a bed of perfectly fluffy couscous, but you could easily just soak up that sauce with a piece of bread or whatever your favorite way to do that is. And I like to top it with a little bit of parsley, and that's it. This dish is such a crowd pleaser. I've literally never met anyone who didn't love it.